Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the forecast for Nifty next week. Before even going into the video, I would like to request the new members who are seeing this video, please subscribe to our channel and stay connected with our channel. Normally, you will get the forecast of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty 1 week before itself. Like for example, Monday to Friday view will be posted on Saturday or Sunday max, which is before even the trading session starts on Monday. You will get the forecast for that particular week. I wouldn't say our accuracy is 100%, but our accuracy is above 70 to 80%, in between, in the range of 70 to 80%. In this view, I will use to provide one particular call or put option, whichever is could be tradable during that week, and majority of the times we people have ended with profits. So now we will move on to the analysis for next week. For this, I have opened Nifty charts on daily time frame. I will include only one moving average, which is 20 moving average, because we are way below others. So we will have only 20 moving average. Generally speaking, we will have black color for our 20 moving average. Yeah, now the 20 moving average has been added, and we have closed below 20 moving average on Friday, means yesterday, and we had a horrible fall in US indices last night, especially in Nasdaq, on back of the poor inflation data from their country. Now the next mega event to watch is monetary policy outcome on during next week. I would have mentioned yesterday itself, historically, whenever inflation data comes in US, markets will be hammered on that particular. I thought there could be a surprise kind of stuff yesterday, but it never happened. It is on the downside. Okay, so if you want to see where exactly US markets closed, I'll show you. Nasdaq ended 3.52% on the red. Our indexes has already factored 1.5% of the move on Friday itself. So the remaining thing could be factored on Monday. SGX Nifty shows already a 0.85% cut. The low of SGX becomes crucial. 16014 becomes crucial as of present situation. But we don't know what it will punch as a new low on Monday when it opens by 6:40 a.m. So if this low is not broken, being 16,000 as a psychological number, there is a vast difference between 16,000 and 15,999, right? So being a psychological number, we could expect a temporary bounce again towards the 20 moving average, right? But on the other hand, if this low is getting broken, the next support comes for Nifty only around 15,900. To be precise, it will be 15,903. So there are bright chances that we can test 15,903 and then reverse from there. We can dream about further downside from there only if this particular level is broken, or else we will definitely bounce from here, 903. Okay. So the huddle, first huddle, the resistance comes at 20 moving average, which is 16,315. The only good part in markets right now is 20 moving average is keeping on rising day by day. Day before yesterday, that is on Thursday, 20 moving average was at 16 to 60. On Wednesday, it was at 16,240. Yesterday, it was at, yesterday before opening, it was at 16,295. And post closing, the 20 moving average has been raised to 16,315. When 20 moving average keeps on rising, sooner or later, markets will also start to rise. That's why I have added only 20 moving average to our analysis this time, rather than confusing you with too much of other stuffs. See whatever happened when 20 moving average raised during the past instances. 20 moving average raised over here. It was a small raise and then a small fall and then it raised. See the markets how it has moved. Same way from here also 20 moving average started rising slowly. See how markets has moved. So this is how it functions. So if my guess is correct and 16,000 holds, we can see a rally towards 16,000 to 315, which is the 20 moving average. This 20 moving average could change on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday as well. Okay. So whatever the 20 moving average is, there will be a test, and if that is taken over, then only we can dream about further upside. In between, we will be hovering between 15,903 to 16,315. This is the clear cut view. So based on SGX, we have seen that it is going to be a 150 point cut approximately. So 16,201 minus 150, it will be straight direct to 16,050, and the support lies at, psychological support lies at 16,000, and then the next support lies at 15,903. So based on this, we can trade only one option, which is on the long side. After a 500 point correction in 1 week, it is not wise to short at that level. Not 500 points, but yeah, it is 486 points approximately. See over here, what is the high over here? Yeah, it is 500. 16,500 to 16,050 almost 480 points. Okay. After a 500 point correction, if we are going and shorting over there or buying a put, we are the number one idiots and fools of market. So don't ever do that mistake. Instead, we can trade a call option with less risk. We very well know that our stop loss is 15,900. So around 15,970 to 16,000 area, if Nifty spot comes, we can buy a call option of 16,000 strike or 16,100 strike, which is almost one will be in the money, at the money, on other one we will be out of the money based on our risk appetite, and then trade on the long side. If our analysis works and our support holds, we can expect a move of 300 points on the higher side. Say for example, if we are taking 16,000 call, it is a in the money call when Nifty turns back above 16,000, when Nifty stays above 16,000. So if it is almost equivalent to futures. If there is a 300 point move, that will also move 300 points. Okay. So let me suggest you one call option, 16,000 call option, which the last strike, last traded price was 276.50. Maybe the adjusted close will be a bit different. right? Maybe around 280, 285 would have closed. Because of time decay, definitely premium would have gone down, will be going down by minimum 20% on Monday at opening itself. On the other hand, if you have a 150 point gap down opening kind of stuff, definitely this premium will erode by 50%. What is 50% from here? 280, let us assume, and 50% from here means it is almost 140, right? Maybe we can take it around 130 to 140, or if you want a better price, wait for Nifty to test 16,000 mark. If it breaks 16,000 mark, it will fall at least 20-30 points immediately, which means 15,970 or kind of levels. So wait for that levels, 15,970 to 16,010 odd levels, that's 40 point range, and then take this 16,000 call. If that happens, maybe in the afternoon session of Monday, definitely you will get this call below 120 rupees. So if you don't mind taking risk of an additional 20 or 20 rupees, then you can go ahead and buy around 140 rupees itself. And the stop loss for this trade will be 15,900, which we were discussing earlier. 15,900 on closing basis. If we close below 15,900 on a given day, maybe Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or when in between the 4 days, whenever it closes, you are supposed to exit by booking losses, or else you can stick to your position, and as usual you will get minimum 30 to 50% returns in this particular call. For example, if you have taken something at maybe at 140, what is 30% for you? 14 into 3, approximately it would come around 42 points, 42 to 43 points, right? That will be the 30%. And if you want 50%, then it will be 70 points. So you may get profits in between this range, and then you can book over there and exit out of the position. This is all about our analysis for next week, forecast for next week. Now I have one last request for you people. Like always, I will post all our Telegram channel links in the description of this particular video. Please do follow our Telegram channels if you are still not part of it. You will get live calls during market hours, which may help you a lot. We won't post too much of calls. We will give 1 or 2 calls, but those calls will be accurate. And if you feel this video is worth listening and you are getting benefited out of it, please do share this video to your friends and relatives, whoever is interested in markets. Let them also get benefited. I would also appreciate if you people post your comments and likes, whatever it is worth. I don't want to force you people to say thumbs up for every video which I post. If it is something wrong, post it as thumbs down, dislike, post it dislike. No issues about it. Okay, so at least do that kind of stuff, which will be encouraging. See, for example, 150 people, 130 people are seeing this video every week, but if you see the likes, it will be hardly 2 or 3, which means people are not caring that much to post something about that video. And in the comment section also, I will hardly see 2 or 3 comments for each video. So if you post something whichever it is worth for, if it is good, it will be encouraging for me, but if it is bad also, it will be a learning curve for me, and I will improve myself and post better videos from next video onwards. That is the request which I have for you people. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video of Bank Nifty. Maybe I will post it in by today, or max by tomorrow. Bye for now.